Once you have your database and tables in place and you're already working on it with certain data, there could be a requirement down the line that would need you to change the definition of the table itself, like add one more column or delete some column or change the data type of some column. All these things are taken care by the alter table command. Alter table command is used to add, delete or modify columns in an existing table. It is also used to add and drop various constraints on the table. Let's quickly take a look at syntax of a few commands. To add a column to the table, to delete a column from the table, to change data type of a column in a table, to add not null constraint to a column, to drop constraint from a table column. So these were some of the different versions of the alter table command. The more you practice and play around with these commands, the more easier it gets to understand them.